Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook scallops. First, let's get them ready. It's crucial to pat your scallops completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve that beautiful sear. Check for and remove the small, tough abductor muscle on the side of each scallop. Finally, season them generously with a good pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. Proper preparation is key to a perfect scallop. Now for the sear, get a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, screaming hot over high heat. Add just a touch of high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or vegetable oil, enough to lightly coat the bottom. Carefully place your seasoned scallops into the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd them. Give each scallop enough space to breathe, allowing for even cooking and that gorgeous golden crust. Timing is everything for tender scallops. Sear them for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on the first side until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Flip them over and immediately add a generous knob of butter, a sprig of fresh thyme, and a lightly crushed garlic clove to the pan. For the last 30 seconds of cooking, continuously baste the scallops with that aromatic, foaming butter. This infuses incredible flavor and keeps them moist. Once perfectly seared and basted, it's important to let your scallops rest. Carefully remove them from the hot pan and place them on a warm plate for just about 1 minute. This brief resting period allows the internal juices to redistribute, ensuring they remain incredibly tender and succulent. Serve these perfectly cooked scallops immediately with your chosen side dishes and enjoy the exquisite flavor and texture you've created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.